Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to your mathematics class. Dear students, we are doing Unit 8 decimals of your NCERT book, and till now we have learnt the place values of decimal numbers, then pronunciation of decimal numbers. After that, we have learnt the addition of decimal numbers, and in my previous video, I explained you how to subtract the two decimal numbers. Now, dear students, today we will do the questions. Application questions based on the subtraction of decimal numbers. So let's start 8.6 exercise question number 3 onwards. Question number 3 is Raju bought a book for rupees 35.65. He gave rupees 50 to the shopkeeper. How much money did he get back from the shopkeeper? So dear students, what is the meaning of the question? Raju bought a book for rupees 35.65 paise, right? This means the cost of the book is that much. He gave 50 rupees to the shopkeeper. Shopkeeper को कितने दिए 50 rupees, लेकिन बुक कितने की आई 35 rupees 65 पैसे की. So how much money did he get back? वो वापस कितने लेगा? So what do we do? As you all know, अगर आप शॉप पर जाते हो, you'll give 50 rupees to the shopkeeper and you have to take the money back after purchasing the book of इतने rupees. तो क्या करेंगे हम? माइनस ही करते हैं. तो we will subtract and we will write money given to shopkeeper rupees 50 and cost of the book, or Ravi bought the book for rupees 35 and 65 paise. Now money got back is equal to, by subtracting it, but as you can see this is without decimal, so we will place a decimal above the decimal and we'll take zeros like this. So let us subtract it. 0 minus 5, 0 is smaller, so it has to take a number 1 carry from the next one. Again it is 0, again it is 0, so this 0 will carry 1 from this number and it will become 10 and it will left 4. 1 will be subtracted from this. Now this 10 will give 1 carry to the next 0. It will become 10 and it will become 9. This 10 will give 1 to the 0. It will become 10. It will remain 9. So in this way, we'll carry the digits, the numbers from the next friend. So 10 minus 5. So start counting from the number next to 5. Which is the number next to 5? 5 के आगे कौन आता है? 6. So 6, 7, 8, 9 up to 10. So how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that means 10 minus 5 is 5. Similarly 9 minus 6. तो 6 के आगे से count करेंगे 7, 8, 9. That means 3. Place decimal under decimal. 9 minus 5 by counting from 6. 6, 7, 8, 9, 4. 4 minus 3, 1. So this is the money which he got back from the shopkeeper. So therefore answer is rupees 14 and 35 paise. After the decimal we'll get the paises. Now let's do question number 4. Rani had rupees 18 and 50 paise. रानी के पास टोटल कितने रुपीज़ हैं? इतने 18 rupees 50 paise. She bought one ice cream for rupees 11 and 75 paise. Total she is having इतने rupees in her pocket. आपकी pocket में इतने rupees हैं बेटा. And you want to buy an ice cream for that much. How much money does she have now? तो अब उसके पास कितनी after purchasing this ice cream? So what do we write? Rani had total rupees 1850. 18 rupees 50 paise. Cost of an ice cream is rupees 11.75 paise. Money left with Rani. क्या कर देंगे? इतनी उसकी pocket money थी, इतने की ice cream खरीद ली, कितने बचे? How much left? So what we will do for left? We'll do subtraction. So let us subtract again. 0 is smaller than 5, so let us take a 1 carry from this. It will left with 4. So 10 minus 5 is 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 4 minus 7, again 4 is smaller, so it has to take a carry 1 from 8. 8 will give 1 carry, it will left with 7 and it will become 14. 14 minus 7, 7 के आगे से 8, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 14 आ गया, so 14 minus 7 is 7. Place decimal under decimal, then 7 minus 1 is 6, 1 minus 1 is 0. So how much money is left with Rani? Rani has how much money? Answer is 6 rupees. Do not forget of writing the units, and 75 paise or 6.75. So I hope it is clear to you. Now similarly, let's do question number 5. Tina had 20 meter 5 centimeter long cloth. She cuts 4 meter 50 centimeter length of cloth from this for making a curtain. Total cloth Tina had is 20 meter 5 centimeter, but she cut that much cloth. How much cloth is left with her? Again, left word is there, that means we'll subtract. So how much cloth Tina is having? Tina had 20 meter 5 centimeter cloth. She cuts के लिए बेटा होता है माइनस साइन. She cuts 4 meter 50 centimeter. How much left? So left आ गया, again we will subtract. But as you can see, this is 20 meter 5 centimeter. Let us convert it into decimals. So we can directly write it as 20 for centimeters, place a decimal 5 and it will get converted into meters like this. Similarly, we can write this as 4 point for decimal, for centimeters we'll write 50 and this will get converted into meters, right? So how we have done it, let me show you that calculation also in the rough. Do it. 20 meter plus 5 centimeter. To convert 5 centimeter into meters, we'll divide it by 100. So for this, let us place the decimal for these two zeros. So one is 5 and other will be 0 because two zeros are there. This will be like this, meters. So this will be 20.05 meters. Note down this in your notebook also. So we have written 5, we'll take it as 0.5 meters like this, right? Similarly, let us convert this 4 meter and 50 centimeter. So 4 meter plus for centimeter, to convert it into meters, divided by 100. So we will be having 4 meter. For these two zeros, let us place the decimal. We leave two digits. One digit is 0, one is 5. Both the digits are there. So place the decimal. So answer will be 4.50 meters. So this. So note down this in the right hand side of your page. Okay. Then the values and get the answer. Let us subtract the two because we have to find out the leftover cloth, right? So 5 minus 0 is 5, but 0 minus 5 is not possible because 0 is smaller. So it will take 1 from here, but it is again 0, it will take 1 from here. So it will left with 1 and it will become 10. When it will give 1 carry to this, it will become 10, it will left with 9. So 10 minus 5 is 5, 9 minus 4. 4 के आगे से 5 से start करेंगे count करना up to 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That means 5 and 1. So that means Tina left with 15 meters and 55 centimeters cloth. So therefore, answer is 15.55 meters, or we can write it as 15 meters and 55 centimeters, like directly in this way. So is it clear to you? Now let's do question number 6. Question number 6 is Namita travels 20 kilometer 50 meter every day. Total distance she travels is 20 kilometer 15 meters. Out of this, she travels 10 kilometer 200 meter by bus and rest by auto. Rest by auto means, for example, you travel 20 kilometer total, and dear students, if you will travel 15 kilometer by bus, then how much will you travel by auto? Auto से कितना होगा? What will you do? You will subtract it. 20 minus 15, that is 5. This will be the distance by auto, 5 kilometers. Same here. Total distance is given to us. Traveled by bus is given to us. Rest means कितना बचा, वो ऑटो का डिस्टेंस है, that we have to find out. So let's solve it. So what do we write? Total distance traveled by Namita is equal to 20 kilometer 50 meters. Distance traveled by bus is 10 kilometer 200 meters. Then the distance traveled by auto we'll get it by subtracting the two. So let us subtract it, but again let us convert them into single unit, that is kilometers. So for that, let us do the calculation first. 20 kilometer 50 meters. So 20 kilometers plus 50 divided by 1000, because 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. So 1 meter is equal to 1 by 1000 kilometers, right? So we'll divide it by 1000. So for this, we'll place the decimal. 3 zeros are there in the 1000. So we will place the decimal leaving 3 digits. So 2 digits we already have, 0 and 5. Let us take 1 0 to complete 3 digits, then place a decimal. So when you add it, you will get 20 plus 0 is 20.050 kilometers. Similarly, let us convert this. 10 kilometer and 200 meters. So to convert 200 meters into kilometers, let us divide it by 1000. So 10 kilometers, and for 3 zeros of 1000, let us leave 3 digits to place a decimal. 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digits. We have all 3 digits, so we'll write it like this. So 10 plus 0 is 10.200 kilometers. So this will be the distance. So again, note down these things, then put the value. So its value is 20.050 kilometers, and its value is 10 point decimal के नीचे decimal 200 kilometers. Now let us subtract it to get the distance traveled by auto. 0 minus 0 is 0. 5 minus 0 is 5. 0 minus 2 is not possible because 0 is smaller. So it has to take one carry from the next 0. But again, it has no value, so it will carry from 2. When 2 will give 1 as a carry number, it will left with 1. It will become 10. Then this 10 will forward 1 to the next friend, that is 0. It will become 10 and it will left with 9. So 10 minus 2 is 8, decimal under decimal. 9 minus 0 is 9, 1 minus 1 is 0. So how much distance does she travel by auto? Yes, it is 9.850 kilometers. 9.850 kilometers, or we can say 9 kilometers and 850 meters. Like this we can write after the decimal. This is the value is in meters. So I hope it is clear to you. Now dear students, last question. Akash bought vegetables weighing 10 kg. कितनी vegetables लेके आया आकाश? Total 10 kg. Out of this, 3 kg and 500 grams is onions, and 2 kg to 75 grams is tomatoes, and the rest is potatoes. What is the weight of the potatoes? So let us discuss the question in an easy way first, then we'll solve this. For example, dear students, let us assume that total vegetables bought by you will be 10 kilograms. Out of these 10 kilograms, you bought 3 kg for onions, and for example, you bought 2 kg potatoes, right? Potatoes, and now you have to calculate 2 kg tomatoes. Now you have to calculate the weight of potatoes from this. Total weight is 10 kg. Out of this, that much weight is of onion and tomatoes. So what will you do? What will you do? You will first add the weight of onions and tomatoes, right? Then by adding it, you will get 5 kg. And then this weight will get subtracted from the total bag. Total bag में कितनी वेजिटेबल्स हैं? 10 kg. तो हम अगर अनियन निकाल देंगे, टमाटोज निकाल देंगे, तो वी लेफ्ट विद potatoes. Means first we have to add these two values, then we will subtract it from the total weight to get the weight of the potatoes, right? So let's do the question. So we will write weight of onions is this, weight of tomatoes is this, and their combined weight. Obviously combined weight के लिए we'll do addition, but first of all convert these values into totally into kilograms, like 3 kg plus 500 grams. To convert it into kilograms, we'll divide it by 1000. So for these three, we'll place 3 digits which we already have and then a decimal. So 3 plus 0 is 3.500 kg of onions. So we will write it as 3.500 kg. Similarly, tomatoes 2 kg plus 75 grams. For grams, to convert them into kilograms, we'll divide by 1000. So 2 kg, for these 3 zeros, we'll leave 3 digits. One digit is 5, second digit is 7, but we do not have any other digits. For that, we'll take 0. Point this. So 2 plus 0 is 2.075. So in this way, you'll get the value of tomatoes in kg. So note down these values, conversions, and now let us subtract the two to get their combined weight, right? So let us see, 0 is there, no value, 0 minus 5, it has to take 1 carry. So it will left with 1, 10. 10 will give left with 9, it will become 10 minus 5 is 5, 9 minus 7 is 2, 4 minus 0 is 4, 3 minus 2 is 1. So the combined weight of, we have to add it. I have subtracted, sorry. So we'll do 3.500 kilograms and 2.075 kilograms. We have to find out the combined weight. We'll add it. So by adding it, 0 plus 5 is 5, 0 plus 7 is 7, 5 plus 0 is 5, 3 plus 2 is 5. So this is the combined weight of onions and tomatoes. Now we'll subtract this weight from the total vegetable weight. So let us write it as, we will write it as total weight of vegetables 10 kg, or we can write it as 10.000 kg. Combined weight we have calculated in the first part, this. Now weight of potatoes will be obtained by subtracting it. So let us subtract. Again all are zeros, they have to take a carry 1. So when it will give 1 to this, it will become 0, it will become 10. This 10 will give 1 carry to this, it will become 10, it will remain 9. Then this will become 10 and 9, and this will become 10. So 10 minus 5 is 5, 9 minus 7 is 2, 9 minus 5 is 4, 0.9 minus 5 is 4. Means the total weight of potatoes will be 4 kilograms, 425 grams. So this will be the answer to this question. 4.425 kilograms of potato, or we can write it as 4 kilograms. And for these decimal values, we'll write 425 grams. So this will be the answer to this question. So dear students, I hope the question is clear to you, all the questions. So do all these questions in your notebook. Thank you.